Maneno gai mar doho David Maraga notwako jopiny kendo chiwo pache kwacho ni mibadhi en achiel kuom gigo maduoko piny Kenya chien ahinya to kendo thiro chenro mag dongruok kolose kar romo mar Uhuru Park bore Nairobi. Maraga omedo ni ponono ni en ema inyalo miye thuolo mar tayo piny Kenya. Onyalo keto kenge mag tieko mibadhi wera ni thoth josiasa wuor kendo tiyo mana gigo makelo negi ber gin giwegi. E kindego Maraga jowinjruok makare kind bede piny owacho adek madito moting'o doho, od bura kod piny owacho mamalo.
If you have nothing to hide, you will speak the truth. The problem we have is that quite a number of political leaders come with vested interests. They want to use their positions for personal gain. And as a result, they come up with quite a number of false theories that don't work. When you accept a bribe from somebody, you have been bought and you have got to do what that person wants. In most cases, the executive doesn't want to confine itself to its lane. And that's where the problems are. And in a democracy, you need the judiciary, you need the legislature, and you need the executive, as well as independent commissions, to play their role and operate within their spheres of influence, and we'll have a very good country. The system we have is very good. The constitution we have is very good. The problem we have is that people don't want to be honest and do